Hello friends, here I will share to you some tutorials and also some tricks about Python. So if you are a beginner or you just learn Python, you can watch this video until finish, because here we will talk about some basic of Python, and then we will talk about how to set the formula, and then we will talk about eval calculator and also dictionary. So before we continue, don't forget to subscribe in this channel. Okay, so in Python first, if you want to print a word, you can write print, and then you can write the word inside these two symbols. Okay, so if I write in here like hello world, and then if you run this, it will show to you the word hello world in the output. So I have run, and we will see the output in here. Okay, we are waiting for the response. So this is hello world that we have right in here. So this is the word or the sentence that you want to print. You can write like this. But if you want to print any number, you want like print, you didn't need to write this to symbol. Okay, so what that you need is you just write the numbers in here like print 2, and then you run. It will show the the number in the output. Okay, so this is hello world, and then this is 2, but you cannot write hello world without these two symbols, because it will get error. Because if you write like this, it, it will give you some error, because if you write like this is referred to the variable. Okay, it will get error, so you need to write the symbol like this in here. Okay, so I will change the method to write these two lines of Python. I can write also here if a equal hello world, and then b equal like any number 5, and I want to print a, and then I also want to print b. So it will print hello world and b, because a and b is represent the variable. So we will run to see how it looks and it works like. Okay, so this is will show hello world and also show the number 5. So I hope you understand this. Okay, so I will continue how to set the formula. Okay, but before, we will do another things in here. If here a I change to any number like 2, and then b 5, and if here I print a plus b, it means that in here I want to print 2 plus 5, because a refer to 2, or a equal 2, and then b equal 5. So if you write in here print a plus b, it means 2 plus 5, and in the output it gets 7. So okay, well, wait, we will inactive this all. Okay, so let's continue. So here I would like to show you how to set the formula in here with Python, but this is not in app form. This is, we will use the output, the normal output in Python. So even here like if number 1 equal, I can write in here input, and then I write any word in here like enter number. Okay, I can write like here also enter first number, and then I can write in here number 2 equal input, and then you can write enter I will copy these and I will paste in here. We can change these to second. So this is if this is input. Okay, we will see. Okay, we will write in here the int or float. This is referred to if you want to write any number. Okay, so what the input mean? Input means that we will choose our number. In here we have choose the number in our codec, but in the input when we run we can choose the number after. Okay, so you can choose any number after. So we can set the formula in here, like our formula equal for the addition like number 1 plus number 2. It means that this is plus this is. So this is will represent a number and this is also will represent a number that we will set after we run. So you will see how it works. But then we want to print out the result. Okay, so we will right here print out the formula. So the result, and then we will run. Okay, so you will see in here it will ask you the first number that you want to enter, and after you enter it will ask again the second number. Like if the first number 2, you write in here 2 and then you enter, it will ask you the number 2 that you have right in here, the input 2. So in here I will write in here 5, and then if you enter again it will print 2 plus 5. Okay, this is as 7. 2 plus 5 gets 7 because this is addition. So 7.0. Okay, so you can write also, like you can change the formula to subtraction. So it means that the first number will be subtract with the second number. So we will run again. So if the first number you enter in here 10, and then we enter, it will ask the second number 4. Okay, second number I set in here 4. So based to the formula, it show that number 1 subtract to the number 2 or mean. So if like this, it means that 10 mean 4. So if we enter, we will get 6. Okay, so you can change it to the multiply. Okay, you can change to number 1 multiplied to number 2. Okay, we will run again, and you also can use the division. Okay, like 2 and then you enter, and then 3, and then if you enter again it will show 2 multiplied to 3, it will get 6. So you can, if to the division, you can write in here like this. Okay, it will show this same. So we will continue to the eval calculator. So I will block this all first. Okay, so in here, to use the eval, you can write in here like okay, like calculator, and then eval, and then you write input to choose the number, and then you can write in here enter the numbers. Okay, so after this you can write in your print. calculator. So for the calculator, you can write any number you like 2 plus 2 or 2 plus 3, and then we will print the final result. So we will run to see how it works. So in here for the eval calculator, if we set in here like 2, this is works like calculator. So if you write in here 2 plus 3 and then plus 5 and then into 2, it will show the result of this like calculator. It will show 8. Okay, this is about the eval. So we will continue to the dictionary. Okay, this is the final topic that we will talk about. For the dictionary in Python, you can set like for your variable you can write anything you like to write here like dictionary. This is a variable so you can change to any word you like, and then you can write near dic and write in like if in English like I like, and then we can write here to another language like if in Portuguese it means eu gosto. So we create our dictionary. So if we write here I like, it will show the Portuguese eu gosto. So this works like dictionary. And then if we write in here like um, we play, and then we can write the Portuguese language in here like nos wait, I have done some mistake. Okay, wait, nos brincamos. Okay, so like this. This is the dictionary that you have created. So how it works? Okay, wait. How it works? So we can write in your print and then write in your dictionary, and also we can write in your we can write in here like any word that you want to see the translation, or we have set the dictionary. So if we write in here I like this word, if I write in here right, I like, it will show this eu gosto that we have set the pair. So we will run to see how it works. So I will run to see what is the translation of the I like in Portuguese. So eu gosto, this is based to the translation that you have set in here. And then if I write in here we play, this is that we have set like we play. Okay, it will show another word in here that we have set as the pair. So if we run, if in English we play, in Portuguese nós brincamos. So if we run, it will show the translation in here. So this is works like dictionary. So I think I have present to you the 4 basic tutorial about the Python until here. I hope if you like this video, you can like this video and you can help this channel forward with subscribe in this channel. Okay, thank you.